Hey everyone, welcome back to Prosperity Mastery Hub. In today's video, we're going to look at the best budgeting apps for 2024 that can help you get control over your finances, whether you're just starting out or looking for something advanced to take your money management to the next level. But first, let's take a second to talk about the basics of budgeting. At its core, a budget is simply a plan for your money. It's how you decide what comes in, what goes out, and what's left to save or invest. Whether you're trying to get out of debt, build an emergency fund, or save for a big purchase, a budget helps you get there by giving every dollar a purpose. Now, having a budget is one thing, but sticking to it, that's where technology can help. Budgeting apps simplify tracking your income and expenses, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. Let's dive into my top picks for 2024, starting with one of the most popular apps out there. First on the list is You Need a Budget, or YNAB. This app is a favorite for people who really want to dig into their finances and take full control of their money. YNAB uses a zero-based budgeting approach, which means every dollar you make is assigned a job. Whether it's paying for groceries, saving for a vacation, or going toward your debt, YNAB ensures every dollar is accounted for. YNAB also lets you track your progress towards specific financial goals. For example, if you're saving for a down payment on a house, YNAB allows you to see how close you are to hitting your target. Another great feature is real-time syncing across devices, which makes it easy to manage your budget from anywhere. Next up is Mint, and this one is perfect if you're looking for a free option. Mint has been a go-to for budgeters for years, and with good reason. The app automatically syncs with your bank accounts, categorizes transactions, and provides an overview of your financial health. Mint also offers credit score monitoring and bill reminders, which can help you stay on top of payments and avoid late fees. One of the app's strengths is its ability to track your spending trends over time, so you can see exactly where your money is going. Let's move on to PocketGuard, which is all about simplicity. If you just want a basic budgeting app that quickly tells you how much money you have left to spend after your bills and goals are covered, this app might be for you. PocketGuard connects to your bank accounts, categorizes expenses, and shows you how much free money you have left, what they call your pocket. This app is great for those who don't want to overcomplicate budgeting, but still need a little structure. Another option, especially if you're a fan of the envelope system, is Goodbudget. This app helps you allocate money into different envelopes for things like groceries, rent, entertainment, just like the traditional method of using physical envelopes for cash. Goodbudget is ideal for couples or families who share finances, as it allows you to sync your budget across multiple devices. It's also a great way to track spending manually if you like being more hands-on with your finances. Last but not least, we have Empower, which is great for those of you looking for a combination of budgeting and wealth management. This app focuses on your overall financial picture, helping you track investments and net worth, in addition to basic budgeting. Empower is perfect for people who not only want to track their spending, but also want to see how their investments are doing. The app provides insights into your asset allocation, retirement savings, and even offers retirement planning tools. So there you have it, the best budgeting apps for 2024. Each of these apps has something unique to offer, whether you're looking for a detailed approach like YNAB, a free all-rounder like Mint, or a tool that handles both budgeting and investments like Empower. Remember, the best budgeting app for you depends on your financial needs and how involved you want to be in managing your money. So which one sounds like the best fit for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Prosperity Mastery Hub for more personal finance tips and strategies.